it's starting to sink in that I'm going to presumably, and I will, pull a really heavy trailer. It's going to be heavy for the first, I don't know, month and a half because of the weather. The cold, wet, freezing snow weather that I have to be prepared for. So I've got to have a really heavy tent and a lot of equipment. Anyway, I'm going to ride a bicycle across the North American continent. I probably should not have made a commitment to do that. It's really a bad idea, but I'm going to do it. I am going to do it. And you know why I'm doing it. So we'll have a good time. Please, follow along. I don't want money. Just please share the ideas that Rebellion Rides is promoting. I'll tell you what, man, this is a really bad idea. I've never had such a bad idea. Flying over, coming out here, flying over the mountains, it's like all snow and frozen, and looks like Antarctica. Okay, we're gonna have a good time. Today is Friday, and we leave Monday out of Seattle, downtown Seattle. Here we go. All right, thank you.